What if an AI could stop a worker before they entered a dangerous area without wearing a safety helmet? This isn't a cloud-based security camera or an expensive industrial system. It's a compact edge AI device that works completely offline. It can tell the difference between an empty area, a worker wearing a helmet, and a worker without one. If someone isn't wearing a helmet, it instantly plays a voice warning. Today, I'll show you exactly how I built it. Construction sites and factory floors are hazardous environments where wearing a safety helmet is essential. Normally, safety compliance depends on human supervisors, but people can get distracted. An AI never blinks. That inspired me to build a fully automated smart helmet detection system capable of monitoring workers in real time without relying on Wi-Fi, cloud servers, or internet connectivity. Everything runs locally using Edge AI. My first idea seemed simple. I used a pre-trained model available in the SenseCraft AI library. Unfortunately, it only detected helmets. It couldn't distinguish between an empty scene and a person without a helmet. To overcome this limitation, I added a PIR motion sensor to detect human presence. But that created an even bigger problem. Lighting changes, moving shadows, airflow, even tiny insects, all triggered false alarms. The system constantly produced ghost alerts when nobody was actually there. That wasn't reliable enough for a real safety application. So I decided to redesign the entire system. The final solution. Instead of combining AI with motion sensors, I removed the PIR sensor completely. I trained my own custom image classification model. The model recognizes 3 different situations. No person. Person wearing helmet. Person without helmet. Because the AI understands what an empty scene looks like, the device stays completely silent until a real person appears. This completely eliminated the false trigger problem. Hardware used. Here's everything inside the system. The Grow Vision AI V2 module performs all AI inference locally. A Seed Studio XIAO ESP32-C6 acts as the main controller. A 1.3-inch SH1106 OLED displays the current status. A common anode RGB LED provides visual indication. A DF Player Mini plays voice notifications. The audio is amplified using a PAM8403 amplifier connected to a 5-watt speaker. Everything is housed inside a custom PVC enclosure for durability. How the system works. The Grow Vision AI continuously analyzes the live camera feed. Whenever it recognizes one of the 3 classes, it sends the result to the ESP32-C6 using the I2C communication protocol. The ESP32 immediately processes the detection result. If no person is detected, the OLED displays zone clear and the LED remains blue. If a person wearing a helmet is detected, the OLED displays access granted and the LED changes to green. If someone appears without a helmet, the OLED immediately shows a warning message. Warning, the RGB LED turns red. The DF Player Mini begins playing a pre-recorded safety announcement through the speaker. To prevent the same warning from repeating continuously, the ESP32 monitors the DF player's busy pin. If audio is already playing, the controller waits until playback finishes before triggering another alert. Training the AI model. Now let's train the AI. Instead of relying on a generic pre-trained model, I created my own model using the SenseCraft AI platform. I selected image classification and created 3 classes. Class 0, no person. Class 1, person wearing helmet. Class 2, person without helmet. Next, I captured training images for each class and started the training process. Once training finished successfully, I uploaded the model directly into the Grove Vision AI V2. Now the AI can accurately understand whether the area is empty, safe, or unsafe. To make the project compact and professional, I designed a custom PCB. You can download the Gerber files from the link in the description. If you're building the prototype first, here's the wiring. Programming. Programming is done using the Arduino IDE. Install these libraries before compiling the code. Adafruit S H110X, DF Robot, DF Player Mini, and seed Arduino SSCMA. After selecting the XIAO ESP32-C6 board and the correct COM port, upload the sketch. Initially, I noticed occasional flickering. Sometimes the AI briefly misclassified a single video frame whenever someone turned their head quickly. To solve this, I implemented a software debounce filter. Now the AI must produce the same prediction for 3 consecutive frames before the ESP32 accepts the result. This simple technique completely eliminated unwanted alerts while maintaining fast response time.
Safety violation detected. Person without helmet detected.
Building the enclosure. A bare PCB isn't ideal for industrial environments, so I built a compact enclosure using PVC sheets. The enclosure protects the electronics while keeping the system lightweight and easy to mount on walls or machinery. Final demonstration. Now comes the exciting part. After powering on, the OLED displays a clean boot screen. A few seconds later, the system enters monitoring mode. When no one is present, the display shows zone clear and the LED glows blue. As soon as someone wearing a helmet enters the frame, the LED changes to green and the display shows access granted. Now let's remove the helmet. Immediately, the OLED displays a bright warning message. The LED switches to red. The speaker plays a pre-recorded voice alert instructing the worker to wear a safety helmet. Thanks to the custom AI model and the debounce filtering, there are no false alarms caused by lighting changes, moving shadows, or empty scenes. The system only reacts when it truly detects a person. Future improvements. This project already works completely offline. However, since the XIAO ESP32-C6 includes built-in Wi-Fi, there are many possibilities for future upgrades. The device could automatically send MQTT messages to a central server. It could log every safety violation with date and time. It could upload statistics to a web dashboard, or even notify supervisors instantly through a mobile application. The possibilities are endless. Conclusion. I hope you enjoyed this project and learned something new about edge AI and embedded systems. If you found this project useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone interested in AI, robotics, or industrial automation. All project files, source code, PCB Gerber files, circuit diagrams, and component links are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.